lot sizing, leveraging, and marketing orders, the type of orders we do in the markets. Okay, let me share my screen very quickly. Okay, can you all see my screen? If you can see my screen, just type 1. If you can see my screen. Can you see my screen? Okay, I've seen somebody reply. Yeah, okay. All right. Now, bid price and ask price, bid price and ask price. Now, when you hear bid price, give that please. When you hear bid price and ask price, so please give me a minute. So when you hear bid price and ask price, now if you open your MT for your MetaTrader 4 on your chart, the red line at the top is what we call the bid, the ask price. The red line at the top is what we call the ask price, while the blue line at the bottom is what we call the bid price. Let me look for a sample and send for you to see. Let me check. Just hold on. Let me send something to the group now for you to see. Okay, I sent it. All right. I sent something to the group right now. Now, look at this. Now, look at this. Can you see that tiny red line? That is what we call the ask price. Then the tiny blue line is what we call the bid price. Now, talking about the ask price, like I said is the price, is the line. The ask price is the line at the top, while the bid price is the line at the bottom. Now, talking about the ask price means you want to buy. You are trying to buy right now. That is the ask price. Why the bid price means you are trying to sell now. That is the bid price. So the ask price you are trying to buy right now, while the bid price you are trying to sell right now. That's one thing about it. So now the spread is the difference between the ask price and the bid price. We've done this thing last week. I just want to do a recap before we dive deeper. The spread is the difference between the ask price and the bid price. Now, look at this same line, this same red line, the blue line, that space in between it is what we call the spread. This is what the broker charges you while you are trading in the Forex markets. Okay, so let's talk about pips and pipettes, because from today, whenever we trade, either you are in profit or in loss, I want you to start to calculate how many pips you make in the market, either profit or loss. How many pips you lose in the market, or how many pips you make in the market, very quickly. Now, the pips is the movement of the market. The market moves in pips. Do you understand? The market moves in pips. But pay no attention to pipettes. But the market moves in pips. So the market moves in pips, and each step is calculated in pips. So every step you make in the market, every trade you make as it moves, it is calculated in pips. Now, pips is the 4th digit number after the decimal point. I repeat, pips is the 4th digit number after the decimal point. Now you have this digit number on the screen there. You have 0.1270. Now the 4th digit number after the decimal point is known as the pip. I hope we are getting it. If you're understanding, just type 1 if you can understand it. So let me proceed. Now, the last digit number after the fifth digit number after the decimal point is what we know as the pipette. Now, pay no attention to the pipette, but pay more attention to pip. Pip is very, very important. Pay more attention to pip. Very, very important. Pay more attention to pip. Very, very important. Okay, let me show you something to buttress what I'm talking about in pips. Let me show you something to buttress what I'm talking about in pips. All right. Give me a minute. I'm trying to open the whiteboarding. All right. Yeah. Okay. Can you see this whiteboard? Please, if you can see it, just type 1 if you can see this whiteboard. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Now, like I was saying, the market moved in pips. Now, let me give you a sample. Let's talk about, let's say we are trading Euro JPY, or let me use Euro USD. Euro USD will be better. Euro USD. Euro U. Euro USD. Now, let's say you are trading Euro USD, and the price on Euro USD is let's say 1.05899. Now, from what I said about PIP and PIPs, can somebody type on the chart which one is the PIP among this number? 1.05899. Which one is the PIP? Can somebody chart which one is the PIP among this number? Which is the PIP? Which is the PIP? Okay. Okay, 9. Yes, 9. This 9 you are saying, this 9 I am circling right now. We call it the PIP. We call it the PIP because I said the PIP is the 4th digit number after the decimal point. This is the decimal point here. So the 4th digit number, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4th digit number after the decimal point. Why this last 9 is what? We call it pipette, but pay no attention to pipette. Pay more attention to PIP. This is the PIP. 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 Pay more attention to the PIP. Now, let me write the same number again, and let me show something. All right. 9. Now, let us say this PIP now, this 1.05899. Let's say it moved by 1. It moved by 1 PIP. It's moved by 1. So that means if this thing moved by 1, we are going to have 1.0590. 1.0590. So what does that mean? It means the market has moved by how many pip? 1 pip. Do you understand? Do you understand before I continue? Do you understand? Okay, thank you very much. Yes. So if it moves by, let's say now, I have these figures, I have the same figures, and the market moved by 3, let's say 3 for instance. So 3 pips. So that means I will have 1.05, then 3, that will be 12. That's 9, 2. Can you see it? So that means the market have moved by what? How many pips? 3 pips. So that is how we calculate pips in the market. That is how we calculate pips in the market. So from today, I want us to be making use of this. Anytime you make money in the market, know how many pips you make in the market, and anytime you lose in the market, know how many pips you make in the market, because the market moves in pips, and the amount of pips you make will determine the amount you will make in dollars. I will also show you how the calculation is done in dollars. Now, there in some cases, you might have numbers like this. In some cases, you might have numbers like this, 159.266. Now, okay, let me change this 6 to 7. 159.267. Okay, can somebody type on the chat which one is the pip? Which one is the pip and which one is the pipette? I have 159 dots. This is dot here. 159.267. Can somebody type on the chat which one is the pip and which one is the pipette? Anybody? Anybody? Okay. Okay. In this case, the pip here is 6. The pip here is 6. The pip here is 6. So in most cases, whereby you don't have 4-digit number, in currencies like AUD, JPY, GBP, JPY, all those currencies that has JPY at the end of the currencies, at the base or the quotes, the pip is always the 2nd-digit number after the decimal point. So take note, in currencies like Euro USD, GBP USD, the pip is always the 4th-digit number after the decimal point. But in other currencies, the pip is the 2nd-digit number after the decimal point. So in this case, the pip here is 6, while the pipette is 7. The pip here is 6, while the pipette here is 7. Do we understand? Now I'm going to send a screenshot to the group right now for you all to see, and you all are going to tell me the pip and the pipette for each currencies to assure me that you are all following it up. All right, I said something now. Now, this is the list of currencies on my own chart. This is my own chart. Now, let us take the first one, Euro USD. I want us to unmute our mic. Right now. So this is Euro USD. Now we have the low as 1.06045, and we have the high as 1.06055. Now, I don't want us to take the high. Let us just focus on the low because of time. 1.06045. Now, can somebody tell me the peak and can somebody tell me the pipettes?
Yeah, nine is the pip. The other 9 is the pipette.
9 is the pip and the other 9 is the pipettes. Which one? I'm talking about Euro USD 1.0